Hey everybody, the lighting is not that great, I know, and I'm sallow, so I'm in a green room, and that's just not a good look for me. But I do have my power bun. I've worked all day, and I came home to some happy mail. And so Mary, this is from Mary. Have not opened this yet. I have to tell you the funniest story. So Jason, of course, is a guitar player. He's a musician. He's a professional musician. That's all he does, which is a lot of work. But he's got this talent, and we don't all have that. You know, everybody can't just do that. Let's see. I hope I'm looking at the right spot on the camera. I had to get a new phone. Anyway, there is another musician in the neighborhood. We're actually surrounded by several. So this musician saw this box on the front porch, and he messaged Jason, and he was like, "Oh man, I'm so excited. You got a new guitar, dude. What'd you get?" So Jason said, "Well, this is not a guitar, and it's not for me. It is something for Lynn." And Jason just told me a few minutes ago he fully expects to get a sympathy card from our neighbor. But you know, they love their guitars. So I'm gonna go get some scissors. And here we are. I'm gonna cut through the tape on this. Oh. Mars just took off. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh wow, all these packaging peanuts. I can save those. This looks quite interesting. All right, I got a bag in case I need it for the packaging peanuts. I'm gonna have to lay this down, I think. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. Oh, this thing is so heavy. Look how gorgeous this is. You can't see it properly in this light. Oh my gosh. All right. Let me make sure that I've got this. I will be back. Oh my goodness. People, this thing it's huge, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is incredible. Mary, how long did it take you to make this? Oh my goodness. Everything. Look at this. That is just incredible. Everything is so beautiful. Mary, I don't think I've ever had anything so beautiful. Look at the bird. And that looks like a little bird's nest. Oh my goodness, look. This is unbelievable. Everything, look at that. I mean, it's gonna take me, oh look, oh my goodness. Mary, you are so creative. You're so talented, and you're so kind. You're just, oh. Mary is a sweetheart. I've told you a little bit about feeling like we're kindred spirits, but if you've ever communicated with somebody who's just, they're so encouraging and so positive, and so there's a strength in that helps make you a better person. And I feel like that's the way Mary is from all of the interactions I've had with her. This is unbelievable. And you know what? I'm telling you, there's another whole side to this. Oh, just look at that. Is this not gorgeous? Mary, this is unbelievable. This is beyond, I mean, this should be in some amazing, incredible, fancy store in New York. Oh, I recognize that. And you know what? Did that fabric come from me? And if it did, that might have been some that maybe Gail shared with me. I love this crafting community and how things just, oh look. Hey Marshall, do you like that? Is that really pretty, Mars? Hey Mars, oh he likes it. Hey Marshall. Mars Fleming. Yeah, he's checking it out. Hey Marshall. Let's see if he'll talk to us about it. Hey Mars. He's got to smell everything and make sure that he understands it before he gives it his okay. You know how cats are. Every day when I come in from work, he has to check me out, you know, get all around my feet and make sure that I pass his test. Hi, Mars. What you think about that? Oh, look at this. Look at every little detail. La Sharon, if you're seeing this, I bet you love all of this beautiful stuff. This reminds me of the beautiful lacy things that you make as well. And look up here. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, look. This is so, so beautiful. I think this is the most beautiful thing I've seen. So this is going in the workshop. I am going to have a special place for this. Or maybe I could just put it in my little room back here. Oh, don't look at those clothes in that mirror. Don't look at that basket of clothes. I need to fold clothes. All right, let's look at the other side. This little key was in the box. Seriously? Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so beautiful. That looks like part of a dress. Mary, this just, you've outdone yourself, and this surpasses, it's just gorgeous. Look at the ruffles all the way down to the bottom and all of this lace. And believe me, I'm going to sit down and go through everything in the pockets. Okay, this is the other side. And it is every bit as spectacular as the first side. I'm just awestruck. I just can't even... I mean, this is like, it's like a princess. This is gorgeous. It's like a princess wedding gown that I get to hang up and look at all the time. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look. Look at this. That's a little bag. Unbelievable. Mary, I just want to thank you just from the bottom of my heart, truly. This is one of the most beautiful, gorgeous, breathtaking things I have ever received. It is absolutely stunning. And all of you looking at this, I mean, I'm sure that if you could just see it in person, the treasures on this, it's going to take me a while to even see everything. I just cannot get over this. Mary, you are such a blessing, and not only because I'm sitting here looking at something you gave me, but I know what kind of spirit you have, and I've told you before, you have affected me just with the things you say about your family and your job, just your work ethic, everything about you, and I appreciate this so very much. Good morning, everybody. It's a different day. Hang on. I've got my coffee and I'm out in the workshop. I'm off work today, and there's a chance that I might get to see my 2 oldest grandchildren today. I have not seen them in a while because of COVID. Very, very excited to be able to get together with them in an outside kind of cookout nature thing. My heart is just, I miss them so much, and maybe I'll talk more about that later. But for now, I wanted to show you where this gorgeous wall hanging ended up. My bun is kind of crazy this morning. I'm still waking up, still drinking coffee. Anyway, we're gonna have to do a second video on this wall hanging. I thought that this was everything, and then when I was like breaking down the box and putting aside the packaging peanuts, I found a whole nother thing that's absolutely gorgeous. And wait until you see it. But for now, I want to show you where this gorgeous, gorgeous wall hanging lives in my workshop. This worked out perfectly to have it be able to hang above the door. You can see some holes there where I took something down. At first I thought I was going to hang it from that spot, but it ended up being perfect to hang from the bracket that's already there holding up a small shelf. So, you know, this has pockets on both sides, but I can just keep turning it around. I'm still just in awe. I told Mary I'm just mesmerized going through all of these pockets. It's just beautiful. It is so gorgeous. We're going to keep finding little things. I will keep showing you items from here as I pull them down. And look at this tag. Isn't that a great idea for that heavy fabric? I love that. Okay, so I'm going to end this video. I can't wait to show you what else was in that amazing box. For now, I just wanted to show you that it does have a home out here, or home. Jason always picks on me. We say home, H-A-W-N-M, home. And then some people in the South say hane. I don't say hane. I don't know. I get self-conscious sometimes when I'm talking in front of people. So the workshop, I'm doing my best to keep it really, really clean. It has been so nice to have clean space to work in. It's always been clean. I don't let it get too, you know, out of control, but I had too much stuff in here, and it feels good just to have it back to, you know, a place where I can put everything away every day and have clean tabletops. I recently found this little storage unit, which is nice. Love that painting there. Well, I am going to close for now, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.